Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the essentials. Make sure your pub client is fully updated and your server region matches where you usually play. Once done, check your network stability and aim for ping under 150 ms. A wired connection avoids jitter. Next, open match settings and set skill-based matchmaking off, or choose solo/custom to force lobby composition changes. This matters because the game matches players based on these inputs, so adjusting them immediately shifts the pool you'll enter and helps reduce bot dominance. Once you've set basics, focus on mid-process actions that change matchmaking behavior. You should toggle between solos and squads because solo queues often mix different skill brackets and reduce bots. Changing maps and playtimes helps you join peak player ticks. Make a habit of clearing the game cache and restarting the client between major setting changes. If you see repetitive bot lobbies, run the built-in repair tool. These steps alter the match algorithm inputs and server routing, increasing the chance of real players filling the lobby. To finish, run several short test matches and note bot frequency, player behavior, and match ID. This gives you a baseline and evidence if you must report the issue. If bot lobbies persist, submit a clear support ticket with timestamps and match ID so developers can trace server-side problems. As a last resort, try a temporary VPN to a nearby populated region or queue during peak hours. This often forces different matchmaking pools. If nothing works, the key troubleshooting tip is to document and report. Developers need data to fix server matchmaking.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.